Hey traders, how you doing? Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Hey, I'm going to do kind of a short video, I hope, and I'd greatly appreciate it if you'd kind of watch through it a little bit. We're going to look at just a couple of charts here. I just now, and by the way, the time is 11. It's about 11 a.m. Eastern Time, July 17th, and I just bought some SQQQ. And I would like to talk about that trade, and then I've got a couple other possibilities that we take a look at, all right? So on the daily chart, you can see the SQQQ rallied up, pulled back, and then gapped right in here. Well, let's take a look at the 60-minute chart. My stop is around $7.80, right through there. Looking for it to move higher. If we take a look at the 3-bar chart, we're over the 50-period moving average. Now, this chart to me, if I look at the daily chart, I'm going to have a target near the 50-period moving average, right about there. And then I'm also going to put a target where price action or the candlesticks topped out. Let's drop that down a little bit. There we go. Right there where that high is, about $8.42. So we're going to keep an eye on that, looking for a nice little profit. In fact, I may already up a little bit, not a lot, but up a little bit. Okay, let's talk about some other trades as well. I know that some of our members have been in BMY. And we've been in it for quite some time. I did close it out only because earnings is around the corner, but that ended up to be a nice 15% profit. Okay, let's skip that. Let's look at some possible shorts here. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, why am I looking at SQQQ long? Because that's the same thing, pretty much the same thing, is shorting the Qs. And you can see here the Qs are in a bit of trouble right now. Tech is in trouble. So we've got this nasty candle right over here, not quite a bullish engulf, not exactly. And then we move up for a flag and then gap down. Well, now we're below the trend indicator here, and our dots have gone from green to red. So that's making me a little concerned, and that's why I purchased some of those SQQQ longs right in there. Qs puts would work, just as well, and I may even go into some Q puts as the same. Okay, I've got two restaurants that are not showing very good here that might be worth a short. CAVA, the restaurant group here. This is a blue ice failure. You can see we've got this triple top. We push down, and then we've got this bear flag, and we're showing resistance right in here. So underneath the trend indicator there. So what I'm looking for on a short is price below the T line and T line below the trend indicator. As a bonus, we've got a blue ice failure with price being below the 50-period moving average. Another chart that I'm looking at is SG for a short. This is sweet green, and you can see the downtrend here. We've broke down below the 50-period moving average. It's still a blue ice failure. You can see that price is below the T line and T line is below the trend indicator. So I'm considering that one. At the moment, I like the CAVA, CAVN just a little bit better. On the bullish side of things, Walmart. Now we're still holding Walmart. Walmart still looks pretty good. With the market being somewhat choppy today, I don't expect Walmart to do too much. It is still holding the trend. We're still looking for 72 up here as a target. It may take a few days to get there for sure. And it's possible that if the market starts to roll, Walmart rolls with it just a little bit, because that's just the nature of what stocks do. One last one, XOM. We're still holding half of XOM. I sold half this morning for, I don't know, somewhere around 20%. a little more than 20% profit. That's working out pretty good. So what I'm looking for is for it to move back up here to 119 or pull back, and I may buy another position on a pullback, still reaching for that top up there, 119.40. Hey, look, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Please leave comments or a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, well, don't leave a thumbs down. We'll see you later. Thank you, everybody. Take care.